सबको लगा चंगरेंग कोरेन हारने वाला है। He missed weight, he looked drained, और वो एक जापानीज फाइटर से लड़ रहा था एक ऐसे स्टेज पर जहां द स्टेक्स आर एवरीथिंग। एक गंदी मूव एंड द एंटायर फाइट कुड बी ओवर। लेकिन फिर फाइट एक्चुअली शुरू होती है and instead of looking like someone who was going to lose the fight, Chongreng fought like the guy who had nothing to lose. देखो ये कुछ परफेक्ट परफॉर्मेंस नहीं थी by all means. चंगरेंग ने काफी हैवी बॉडी शॉट्स लिए थे, चंगरेंग एक बार नॉकडाउन भी हुआ था, लेकिन इस फाइट ने एक चीज तो हम सबको प्रूव कर दी कि चंगरेंग कोरेन इज वे मोर डेंजरस देन पीपल गेव हिम क्रेडिट फॉर। फाइट से पहले सबके कंसर्न्स जायज थे। चंगरेंग आया फाइट में ओवरवेट बाय 3.5 पाउंड्स, बहुत ही पतला लग रहा था, ही लुक्ड रियली वीक कंपेयर्ड टू हिज ओपोनेंट। एंड व्हेन अ फाइटर लुक्स लाइक दैट बिफोर अ फाइट, सबके दिमाग में एक ही सवाल होता है, व्हिच इज द वेट कट गोइंग टू अफेक्ट हिज परफॉर्मेंस? दैट्स अ वेरी वैलिड कंसर्न। वी हैव सीन दिस विद सो मेनी फाइटर्स, मोस्ट रिसेंटली Khamzat Chimaev against Sean Strickland। वेट कट इतना बुरा था दैट Khamzat Chimaev didn't look himself। क्योंकि एक चीज है being technically skilled, right? You can have the best MMA skills ever, लेकिन the weight cut can change everything in the worst way possible। Also, Chongreng was coming off a massive loss against Rabindra Dhant। उसका previous opponent जिसने उसकी title छीनी literally is at the same event। तो mentally, physically, what version of Chongreng were we going to see? किसी को कोई idea नहीं था। लेकिन talking about the actual fight, what really impressed me was his confidence। He didn't fight like a scared fighter। And ये मैंने अपनी पिछली वीडियो में बोली थी that South Asian fighters, when they get to the international stage, वो थोड़ा सा डर जाते हैं। डर नहीं जाते, they fight a bit timid, थोड़ा डर के लड़ते हैं। They don't fight with the same aggression that they usually do। And Chongreng का पूरा style is just aggressive, coming at you forward, ground and pound, taking you down। तो जब starting में Miyaguchi was landing good jabs and kicks on him, Chongreng सीधा takedowns पे चले जाता है। He tries to get his momentum, his confidence up. And once he started doing that, Miyaguchi का पूरा flow ही खराब हो गया। Chongreng wasn't just striking with him, he was mixing the entire game. Wrestling, striking, kicks, taking his back multiple times. Like, I was so impressed by the level of MMA that Chongreng showed. लेकिन I also don't want to exaggerate it because Chongreng obviously won, but there was still a lot of flaws in this performance. Fight में काफी moments थे जहां Miyaguchi landed some heavy body shots, knees to the body, punches to the body, and Rabindra Dhant followed the same game plan. Rabindra ने Chongreng Koren की body को इतना attack किया that Chongreng was gassed by round 3, round 4. Yes, Chongreng के अपने moments थे, but he took a lot of unnecessary damage in this fight. Especially जब वो takedowns के लिए जाता था, Miyaguchi के लिए बहुत easy opportunities बन गई थी to knee his body. तो round 1 ने हमें दो चीजें दिखाई कि Chongreng was composed, confident, he can handle the pressure, लेकिन Miyaguchi was not going to make things easy for him. लेकिन round 2 में पूरी fight shift हो गई। Chongreng अब बस takedowns नहीं land कर रहा था, he was physically bullying him. Like Miyaguchi को वो उठा के पटक रहा था। The takedowns got stronger, pressure was way more heavier, and he was wrestling like he was Khamzat Chimaev in there. And ये सब इसलिए मैटर करता है because after all the conversations about him making weight, him looking drained, क्या ये weight cut उसकी performance को affect करने वाली है? He did not look weak in that fight, right? Which tells me कि ये बंदा अभी तक bantamweight में compete कर सकता है, which is amazing news. लेकिन round 2 wasn't all sunshine and rainbows. एक बहुत scary चीज हुई थी। Chongreng Koren literally gets dropped by Miyaguchi, and this happens जब Chongreng takedown के लिए जा रहा था and Miyaguchi counters him with a left hook। अब देखो Chongreng Koren is a dog, right? वो dog fights करता है। He is always in banger fights, very heavy aggression, very heavy pressure, लेकिन that I think is affecting how smart he fights। Like yes, तेरा जो game plan है वो obviously work कर रहा है, so you can keep doing it, लेकिन ये same चीजें रविंद्र धांत fight में हुई थी, and रविंद्र धांत is obviously technically more talented, better than Chongreng Koren। What happens next time when Chongreng faces a more technically sound opponent? He rushes in way too quickly, which is why he gets countered। तो बहुत मैंने similarities देखी from the Dhant fight to the Miyaguchi fight। I get it, काफी improvements भी है, but there's still a lot of work to do in my opinion। And that's the thing with Road to UFC, right? Every round gets harder। like ये quarter finals था, अब semi finals will be way harder, और फिर finals का सोचो, right? It's not कि बस यही जीत गए and yes खत्म। Of course it's a proud moment for all Indians, it's a proud moment for South Asian MMA even making it past the quarter finals, but भाई we need to be a lot more locked in the next fight, especially with the weight cut। अगली बार there can be no excuses। भाई UFC को कुछ परवाह नहीं है आप कितने बड़े स्टार हो, अगर आप वेट नहीं बना सकते they will remove you and replace you and not give a तो Changren Koren needs to work on his aggression, right? Being a bit more careful with it, being a bit more smart with it. Changren needs to work on his weight cutting. Overall, this was a massive win. और especially इस fight के लिए मैं negatives को positives को overshadow नहीं करने दूंगा. Credit where credit is due. Great fight by him. लेकिन he needs to be careful. क्योंकि उसका जो अगला opponent है, I guarantee you, yes, वो उसकी pressure, उसकी wrestling, उसकी ground and pound देखेगा. 100%. लेकिन पता है वो और क्या देखेगा? The body shots that Changren took, the punch that dropped Changren, the weight cut, right? अगली बार maybe the opponent will not be that generous, and maybe even the UFC won't be that generous. So this next fight is just going to be everything. It's going to prove a lot more in terms of Changren कितना professional है and can he learn from his mistakes. क्योंकि this win proved to us कि UFC में तो वो belong करता है. बहुत लोग कह रहे थे कि he doesn't even deserve this opportunity. Technically वो अच्छा नहीं है. इस fight ने हमें वो दिखा दिया. अगली fight हमें ये दिखाएगी can he win this whole thing or not.